This is how to set up your wireless microphone. We are using a Sony Bluetooth wireless microphone. It comes in a little protective case just like this. Kind of like to pull everything out. Inside you have your receiver and your microphone. You have your lapel mic, and you have your microphone cable. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to put batteries inside the receiver and the microphone. So the way that works is, it's probably the most delicate part of this Bluetooth wireless system, but you push this button right here. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get, but you push and this comes up. You push the other one and it comes up. And you place the battery in. Make sure the plus and the negative match up. And you close it. And you do it for over here as well. Again, be a little bit gentle with that. So since this is a Bluetooth microphone, you want to pair them up. So what you do is there's on switches here. So you turn them on, and you'll see that two little blue lights appear just like that. The blue lights will stop blinking, and now they are paired up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the microphone. As you can see, I have a lapel mic on my shirt. So you grab the component that says microphone right here, and you take your lapel mic, and you want to plug into the red port, not the headphone port. So you plug in the head port, and this will go down the shirt into your pocket, and this will be clipped right here, just as you see here. I can't do it right now, but if I was the audio person or the camera person, I would hand this to my talent, and I would ask them to place it down their shirt themselves and place it into the back of the pocket themselves. I would never do that for them. Once they do that, I would adjust their mic to the spot where I think it would be best. I would tell them, I'm going to adjust your mic, is that okay? And then do that. So your microphone's set up. Then you have your receiver. Your receiver is going to take the audio from your mic over to the receiver and goes into the camera. So you want to take your cable and plug it into the headphone port right here. Open up your camera door. And on the camera door, you'll see that there's two ports here. There's a microphone port and there's a headphone port. You want to make sure that this goes into the microphone port. That's very important. It has a clip back here, just like this. You want to make sure that you clip this onto the actual handle here of the camera so that it stays there. If you had this on your tripod, you wouldn't want it to be hanging down like this. This is really not good for the wire, and this could also bang around and break or hit someone or break on the tripod. So I like to clip it onto the handle just like this. And you are now ready to get audio of your video. Each receiver and microphone does have volume controls. You just have to kind of adjust that as you go along. Very, very important once you get this set up, very, very important that you have your headphones set up, plugged in. So right next to your microphone port, there is the headset. Boop, headphones right there, headset, and now you can make sure you have audio. There's one cool component of this setup. If you take out your headphones and take off the receiver, you can actually do a test. Notice that I'm closing the camera door because I don't want to ruin the battery on the camera. But you can actually do a test. If you take out the microphone cable and you place in the headphones, you can actually, when this is on your talent and they're talking, you can actually listen and see if it's working. It's kind of a little component there. You are done with your filming. You want to unplug everything. You want to really make sure that you have it turned off because batteries are expensive. You want to place everything back into your protective little case here. Very gently, don't just shove it in. Just kind of stick it in there. And there you have it. You are set up with your Sony Bluetooth wireless microphone. We are always ready to assist you and help your media program grow. At any time you need assistance or have questions, please contact through our website at secctv.org or call 916-920-1006. My name is Trevor, and thanks for watching.